6th July 2025, Saturday, heading towards Helambu to explore Sursing Waterfall. Waiting for the bus for our Saturday hike today. Going to Sursing Waterfall. Breakfast break at Sursing Power. We're gonna stop here for the breakfast now. Good morning. This Saturday hike credit goes to Kathmandu Hiking Group who organized this trip. Thank you very much. Total 31 participants was there. Stop over for the breakfast, Linda. So, having tea now. Breakfast break. The fall is situated approximately 65 kilometers from Kathmandu. So far, roads are nice. Which road till Helambu? Off-road drive beyond the Helambu. Now we are going to have lunch. It's a lunch break. Cucumber time. After reaching homestay, refreshing with organic cucumber. Lunch was not ready. All were busy learning about each other's lives and the perspective. Oh, there's a lot of goat. Come here, come here. Hello. Learning dance and the viral song was awesome. All were enjoying the song. This is funny though. But we all did finally. This horizon followed us all the way from homestay till waterfall. There are ample number of waterfall on the way to Sursing Waterfall.
We are about to reach, but it's not
This is the last point for the bus. We have to hike 45 minutes.
We reach waterfall.
Exploring the nature's mystique, capturing the ethereal beauty. Due to rain, we couldn't take much of pictures.
We have to reach on top there. So it's going to take 10 minutes to reach on there. Very historical place for the Helambu.
The videos are blurred due to rain, but somehow we managed to take videos and pictures.
Now we got stuck over here because the jeep got stuck at the muddy road. We have to wait for more than 1 hour now. And some poses over here while we are staying. The friends are posing over here. The cameraman got stuck. We want tea. Let's go. Oh, we went there. It's not that clear. It's a waterfall. Here. Oh my God, it's getting ready. Hi. Hey.
After 1 hour waited, road got clear, so we're heading back to Kathmandu.
Helambu is end of Helambu. This bridge is a border for Helambu and Melamchi. This is the last of us of our journey today.